Hello everyone, this type of fan can be made at home very easy. If you also do it, please comment and let me know. Watch this video till the end. It is very simple and easy. A thread, a waste water bottle, a bicycle, steam or other. Do what I see in this video. Watch the video till the end. You will understand. You can also do other things. It is very simple. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, please subscribe and give it a like. May God bless and protect you. Please comment and let me know what you thought of this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and give it a like.